choreographed sequences based upon the music. This item, we are going to be focusing on Tattadival, Nattadival and Paravalaadival. Also, I would like to point out to you that we are using the basic lessons of Carnatic vocal music to showcase this item. Also to highlight the connection between the classical vocal and dance forms of Indian art. Okay, the dancers are Ansa Bijo, Sarah, Tia, Elita, Hannah, Amy, Jareen, Isabel, Christine, Anna, Nikita, Nora, Ashley, Nida, and Elena. I'm also going to introduce the second dance which will follow this. This is Ana Lekla. That group is going to be showing up that the Adavals are not limited to the usage of the feet alone. Every single limb of the body coordinates. The hands, leg, head. The simplest definition of the Adaval would be basic unit of Bharatanatyam involving the whole body. Okay, in the next item, they will be using Nattadival, Paravalaadival, Kudithumettadival, and Thattai. The second song is Ana Lekla, and the performers in that song would be Miriam, Sophie, Amal, Amy, Jessica, and Grace. Okay, girls. So, first we will have the Varavina. Thank you.
Saraswati Geetam, Raga Mohanam, Talam Rupakam.